Hey, there's Tow Trucker back. Welcome to the channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're already a subscriber. This channel is about towing cars, man, non-consensual towing, and that's what we specialize in. And we got a full lot right now. These cars get processed on a regular basis, and we get them back out of here. All my content's 100% real. I don't have any paid actors on my channel. Everything you see in my videos is how it went down. If you like my channel, hit that subscribe button, man. Hit the notification bell. Anyway, peace. Back at it, man. Pulling up to the office right here. I got to go in here and find out where this car's at. They just called, well, it's a truck. They just called in a construction truck that they want towed. So we're going to walk in the office and we're going to find out where it's at. Doing these called in illegally parked cars. Somebody's always coming out, man, seems like. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and see. I'm not gonna be able to record inside, but I'll leave the audio running. How you doing? I'm from the tow company. Y'all got somebody called a car in?
Yes.
A truck?
It's straight in the back.
Straight in the back?
Yes. So like where building 14 is. 14 building? Yep. Once you go, if you go down this way, and you go down the little slope or past, you probably grab it more if you go past the dumpster area, yeah, and then make the just illegally parked. The right, yeah. It's taking like 5 spots. Okay. Yep. All right, I'll go grab it. Truck in, it has a trailer attached to it. Okay, I'll go hook it. Thank you. Appreciate it.
This is definitely going to be a tricky one here. Go ahead and hook the trailer first. He definitely got it put in a spot where he thinks somebody can get it. I'm gonna go ahead and drag the trailer off the back, man, and put it on the truck, man. So if you want to pay the drop fee,
My truck.
Okay. Yeah, just it's $100. $100.
Okay. Gotta move it. In the truck with the.
You're gonna have to pay. You're gonna have to pay to move the trailer. I got it hooked. You're gonna have to. Somebody's gonna have to pay. I don't know if you wanna. If you want to call it in on a credit card, you can call it in on it. You can pay with a credit card. But it's $100. Yeah, that's fine. It's $100.
Yeah.
Hey, let's see if I'll unhook it, man. Just please move it, because the office, they'll call back for me to come back over here.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, man. Have a good one, sir.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back by the office and let them know that he paid the drop fee, and maybe he won't. I don't think they'll do it again. Now that this guy knows the office is gonna tow it if he comes in here and parks like that, and he more than likely won't do it again. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. Hey there. Hey, he came out and paid the drop fee.
Oh, he picked
He tried to drop me, and I think he knows he can't do that again.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
All right,
Hey, you have a good one too. Thank you.
All right.
Tow trucker back, man. We're heading down to going to Southwest Atlanta, man. We got somebody called in an impound down here. We'll see what happens. We're pulling up down here. I gotta call this guy, figure out where this car is at, man. This is not exactly the nicest part of town right here. Anyway, that gentleman, he needed some bus fare. I ain't got no problem hooking somebody up with a little cash. Anyway, we're gonna roll out, man. You gotta call them. It's not up to me, man. We just tow these cars. Let's go to DPO.
He didn't even give us a whole day.
Yeah.
They just, you see that, you see on the sticker, it say the 13th is when they put it on it.
Yeah.
Got by the 14th. The day is in the middle of the 14th. How they gonna come take it already? It ain't even been a whole day.
I understand what you're saying, man.
And I'm just getting home from work. Like,
I understand, man.
you know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah.
that ain't even cool, man.
Well, they have us told, man, and it's not. It ain't like we come over here and pick them, man. We just told them. We just told them.
I know you do what they ask you to do.
If you want to call them and talk to them, it's entirely up to them whether I drop it or
I'm
not.
down there right now, but I see you ready to pull off with that one too. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah. But listen, man, if you wind up going down there, man, and they tell you that you don't have to pay it, if I told that it's $175, man, to go get it out of the yard. You got a credit card or anything?
I don't have $100.
Can you get anybody to pay it?
I just paid $1,700 rent. I got 6 kids to take care of, man. Mouths to feed, man. I can't afford that right now. I'm trying to sell this thing so I can still pay rent. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can't even afford that right now. And I gotta pay child care. And I gotta buy food. Like, I ain't even have a whole day.
We got kids too, man. I understand. This fucking rough, man.
I'm about to call this office right now.
Yeah, call them, man. See what they tell you, man. Or if you new here, how new are you?
I ain't been here 6 months.
Okay, well,
like I said, it's my first time getting the stickers. I done seen stickers on their cars more than twice.
It's really entirely up to them. It's entirely up to them. And we just tell what they tell us, man.
I'll just put it all the
We'll
way up.
hook this one here up, and we'll ride down there to the office. Your bike will be there. I ain't gonna just get out. It's all done process, man.
Appreciate it.
Maybe she'll let you keep it here.
Yeah,
Don't get your hopes up too
I
high.
don't even care to keep it here.
I don't want to get your hopes up too high. She might or might not. It's up to her. And it's up to her magic, man. So sometimes they do, sometimes they don't, man. Yeah. It's just one of them cases. At least we try. We'll try.
And they know this the first.
Anyway, this manager she did ask me if I would drop the motorcycle. We pulled 5 cars out of here, out of 5 out of 11. We throw them one back if they request it. That's just how you keep these contracts. You got to give them something back every now and again. So I'm gonna drop the motorcycle up here. He did act professional, man. He stayed calm. So I'm gonna do what the manager requested. I'm gonna drop the motorcycle, but I got to write the other one up. Anyway, thanks.